Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 221 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about opening yourself to new possibilities and releasing the limitations you may have unconsciously placed on yourself. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a slow inhale, feeling your lungs fill with fresh energy, and exhale, letting go of doubt, fear, and self-imposed limits. With each breath, imagine a soft, golden light entering your body. A light filled with hope, opportunity, and new beginnings. See it expanding in your chest, filling you with warmth and optimism. Now, repeat silently to yourself, I am open, I am ready, and I welcome the new. Let this feeling of openness stay with you, knowing that every moment is a doorway to growth and change. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this openness with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.